Let's get some more on stocks that showed up today as big movers. We're joined by Bloomberg Equities reporter Stephanie Hughes. Stephanie, great to see you. Update us on Empire Company, please.
Sure thing, Andy. Happy Thursday. So Empire hit an all-time high today after that stock gained by as much as 8% at its highest point. It was also the top performer on the TSX for a good chunk of the trading day today. And that's all thanks to the grocer's earnings this week, where it reported an adjusted earnings of 74 cents per share. That came ahead of analyst expectations by at least 3 cents. On top of that, the same-store sales percentage also beat expectations by a healthy 30% margin. So this is all getting a thumbs up from the analyst community. We had Scotiabank's John Zamparo saying that the company had a solid headline beat, and that this in a report that came out before the market opened. They said that they expected a positive share price reaction, which we saw pan out over the course of today. There were also a few interesting details during the conference call. CEO Michael Medline said that despite the macroeconomic uncertainty in the back half of the fiscal year, this was actually the fourth consecutive quarter of stronger same-store sales growth. They're also saying that they're seeing that momentum continue throughout the year. In that same call, he said that the company was seeing the Buy Canada effect play out as Canadian consumers are continuing to move from the U.S. branded retailers and more so towards the Canadian retailers. He said that he expects that this consumer, or most of this consumer shift, will stick. And that said, he will be keeping an eye on the health of the Canadian consumer, just given that we're in a really unpredictable state economically right now, Andy.
What's the story on Enerflex?
Right, so Enerflex was another high performer on the TSX, gaining by nearly 3% today. And that's because TD Cowen named the oil field services provider one of their best ideas for the small and mid-cap space. It was analyst Aaron McNeil who recommended the stock for investors who really missed out on the bull case for natural gas demand and exports. He added that Enerflex had been lagging recently, and it was mostly due to factors that were specific to the company. But in recent quarters, or more recently, the company has been showing a consistently strong performance. He said that on top of that, once they find a new CEO, this should actually bring more clarity to the company's strategic direction, and it would be well received by shareholders who are following the stock. So at least we're seeing a hint of that enthusiasm today, Andy.
Stephanie, as ever, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Stephanie Hughes of Bloomberg.